Hi, Year 9. I'm just going to talk you through the making of a contact sheet. So we're going to use two different tabs in our on our Chromebooks or our PCs. So the first one you can see here is in the Google Drive, and I've created a folder I've called Year 9 Natural Forms Shoot. And within that folder, I've uploaded the photographs from my shoot. You shouldn't, for this task, upload your photographs to Google Classroom. You want to see them in this format. So what you can see is a grid, if you like, of our photographs. Each photograph, 5 in a row with the JPEG code underneath. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a contact sheet from this drive. So the second tab you need to have open is Photopea. So that's photopea.com. We've used this one before, and we're going to create a new project. So either in the opening page here, you can select new project, or you can just go file new and select your project. Okay, I'm just going to move myself out of the way. So new project here, but what we actually want to do is we actually want to create a print. So you can see here along the toolbar, if I select print, then we can see different scales and different sizes. So we're going to go for A4, that's what we want. Traditionally, contact sheets would have been a little bit different in scale, but that will be perfect for us. We're going to select a black background because traditionally contact sheets will have had a black background, and then we're going to click create, and there is our contact sheet there. Okay, and you can name it if you want to at this point. So we're going to go back into the drive. I'm just going to move myself out of the way, and I'm on a PC, so I'm going to use the snip tool. If you're on a Chromebook, you might want to use the print screen option. I'm going to click on new, and I'm going to select 2 rows of files. I've got 10 photographs there, all selected. So back into Photopea, and I'm going to paste it into my contact sheet, that document that I created. I'm just going to move that down, and then I'm going to change the scale of that. So I'm going to go Edit, Transform, Scale, and I'm just going to drag it open so that it is filling the A4 page. Okay, and then I'm going to apply that. I'm going to go back to my photographs, and I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to do exactly the same again. I'm going to use the snip tool. I'm going to select new, and this time I'm going to select a new set of photographs. Okay, so I thought that might happen. Let's just do that again. I'm going to move myself right out of the way. New, and select my 2 rows of 5 to 10 photographs in all, and then I'm going to go back to Photopea, and I'm going to pop it in, just going to move it down, and then I'm going to use the Edit, Transform, Scale to drag that out so that they're lined up. Just apply that. Just move it up a touch so it's nice and neat. Okay, then I can fit another couple of lines in here. So back again, repeat the process, new snip, you're in Chrome, using your print screen, and you might have to crop, back to Photopea, pasting it in, moving it down, changing the scale, we can fit in one more line, so we'll actually have 25 photographs on our contact sheet. So if you remember me telling you about film contact sheets, we would have had 36 or 24. And actually, when we create a contact sheet in Adobe Photoshop, we can create a contact sheet with 25 photographs in it. So this is very similar to Adobe Photoshop. So edit, transform, scale for the last time, and then I'm just going to drag it out so it's nice and neat. Oops, waving about a bit. There we go, and apply. Now from here we just need to flatten this so that we can print it. So we can go layer, flatten image, or merge down. Flatten image will give us just one background here, and then we can print this. So file, export as a JPEG or a PNG. Sorry, not a PNG, a PDF. Okay, and we can save this, and then we can print it. There it is, new project. I didn't name it. Please can you name yours? Contact sheet. All right. And we can also turn this into black and white, because obviously we are working black and white because we are looking at Karl Blossfeld. So I'm just going to take the saturation down on my slider. Okay. And there I've got a black and white version, which I'm actually going to save. But I'm going to call this one contact sheet 2, contact sheet black and white. Okay. Now from here we can also just drop these into our slides on the template that you've been given in lesson time. We can also obviously print these out and hand annotate these contact sheets. But what is nice for this project is that you see both contact sheets, so your colour and your black and white. Okay? There are many other ways of making contact sheets. This is the way that we're going to use for this project. Alright, thank you very much.